1. Unlikely allies, ocelots and opossums in the Amazon. 2. Unlikely Amazon friends, ocelot and opossum stroll together. Astonished face paw prints. 3. Unbelievable bond when predator becomes friend. 1. Unlikely allies, ocelots and opossums in the Amazon. Hold onto your hats, wildlife enthusiasts. In the heart of the Peruvian Amazon, a truly bizarre and fascinating phenomenon has been captured on camera, an unlikely friendship, or perhaps something more complex, between ocelots and opossums. This isn't just a fleeting glimpse, it's a series of documented encounters that have left even seasoned biologists utterly perplexed. This article is part of the Founders Brief series, where Mungabay founder Rhett A.S. Butler, you can find him on LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/in/Rhett-A.S. Butler, https://www.linkedin.com/in/Rhett-A.S. Butler, shares his insights and analysis. So what's the buzz? Well, imagine this: solitary, nocturnal ocelots, those sleek, spotted cats, casually strolling alongside common opossums. These aren't just any chance meetings, camera traps have recorded this unusual pairing multiple times in different locations, over several years. The ocelot, a predator known for its stealth and hunting prowess, and the opossum, a creature often on the menu of larger carnivores, were seen walking together. Sometimes, they even retraced their steps along the same path, still side by side, minutes later. And here's the kicker: the opossums showed absolutely no signs of fear or distress. They weren't running, hiding, or exhibiting any of the typical behaviors you'd expect from prey encountering a predator. This behavior is, to put it mildly, unprecedented. Associations between solitary carnivores and omnivores, especially those that sometimes view each other as dinner, are incredibly rare in the animal kingdom. Think about it: a lion and a zebra hanging out. Not likely. But the mystery deepens. Further research suggests this isn't just a random coincidence. In field experiments, opossums demonstrated a clear preference for the scent of ocelots over the scent of pumas, another potential predator, or even neutral controls. They lingered near the ocelot-scented fabrics, sniffing and rubbing themselves against them, almost as if they were seeking some form of chemical connection. But here's where it gets controversial. Why would an opossum cozy up to a cat that could potentially eat it? The researchers, whose findings are published in the journal Ecosphere https://srjournals.onlinelibrary.wiley.com/doy/1002/ECS2.70322. https://journals.onlinelibrary.wiley.com/doy/1002/ECS2.70322. Proposed two intriguing possibilities. The first is improved foraging efficiency. Perhaps the opossums benefit from the ocelot's hunting skills, scavenging leftovers or finding prey that the ocelot has flushed out. The second, and perhaps more fascinating, is olfactory camouflage. The ocelot might be using the opossum's strong scent to mask its own, making it harder for its prey to detect its presence. Think of it like a predator wearing a disguise. There are precedents for this kind of behavior in the animal world. For example, coyotes and badgers have been known to hunt cooperatively, sharing the spoils of their hunt. Trumpetfish hide behind larger fish to ambush their prey, using the larger fish as cover. And some marsupials have a natural resistance to snake venom, a trait that the ocelot might be intuitively exploiting. Ederi Kamalengi, an ecologist at ETH Zurich and the lead author of the study, explained to the New York Times, opossums have a strong smell, and a close-by ocelot might help hide the opossum's scent from bigger predators, or the opossum's odor might mask the ocelot's presence from prey. And this is the part most people miss. The big question remains: is this a case of mutualism, both species benefiting, manipulation, one species exploiting the other, or simply a curious coincidence? The researchers themselves aren't entirely sure. What do you think? Is this a sign of a complex, previously unknown relationship between these two species? Or is there a simpler explanation that we haven't considered? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. This discovery is a powerful reminder of how much we still don't understand about the intricate dynamics of rainforest ecosystems. Even in well-studied environments, the wild continues to hold secrets, waiting to be uncovered, one cautious step at a time. Two unlikely Amazon friends, Ocelot and Opossum, stroll together. Astonished face paw prints. An extraordinary friendship has been discovered in the Amazon rainforest between an ocelot, a wildcat species, and an opossum. Scientists from Germany and Peru captured multiple video clips showing the two animals walking together like old friends. This unusual behavior was observed in 4 separate instances across different regions of the Peruvian Amazon between 2019 and 2023. Ocelots are known to prey on opossums, making this partnership particularly fascinating. The researchers suggest that the ocelot may benefit from the opossum's foraging behavior or its scent, which could help the ocelot blend in and fool potential prey. This accidental discovery highlights the complexity of nature and the importance of close observation in scientific research. 3. Unbelievable bond when predator becomes friend. Prepare to be amazed, sometimes reality is stranger than fiction. In a discovery that left scientists both baffled and fascinated, researchers have observed a profoundly unusual bond between two animal species that, by all expectations, should never get along: a fierce predator and its natural prey. But here's the part that really turns heads. Instead of the expected relationship of hunter and hunted, these creatures have formed what appears to be genuine companionship, defying the typical rules of the wild and sending ripples of curiosity through the scientific community. Now, let's talk about something a little closer to home: your subscription. We've reached out multiple times because we haven't been able to collect your payment. If you want to keep your access to our content, it's essential that you update your payment information as soon as possible. You can do this quickly and easily by visiting your account settings, look for the My Account section, or simply click the Update Payment Details link provided. Don't let something so simple slip through the cracks. Act now to ensure your subscription stays active and uninterrupted. Time is running out. We've tried notifying you on several occasions, but since your payment hasn't gone through, your subscription is on the verge of being discontinued. It only takes a moment to update your details through the My Account portal. If you don't, your subscription could be terminated, and you'll miss out on all the valuable content and features you currently enjoy. Here's where things might get a little controversial. Some might argue that companies shouldn't be quite so insistent when collecting payments. After all, everyone forgets things now and then, or faces unexpected financial hiccups. Do you think it's reasonable for a subscription service to shut off access so quickly after a missed payment, or should there be more leniency for loyal customers? We are curious to hear your perspective. Have you experienced something similar with other services? Let us know in the comments. Do you agree with this approach, or do you believe there's a better way to handle these situations?